Okay, so this is an update on the parametric slicing program that I'm working on. I have it working a lot better now. The path is actually connecting all the different meshes that we generate. And then here on the left is a bunch of debug information about what nodes are connected to what other nodes. So when I press this button and it adds something, we can check it, make sure that it's all connected. And then it also prints what node was just added. So it just added node 19. If we press it again, we added node 1 there. And you can see here on our graph that everything is actually connected. And if we run through this whole thing, doing a couple more graphs, it's working okay. There's still a couple issues where it is placing parts in places that I wouldn't ideally want to place them. So like this gap here on the bottom is a pretty big dead zone, and if we can avoid that, I'd really prefer to do that. So I'm debating whether I should try to move into the next stage, being optimizing surface finishes and no overhangs in every part that we add, or if I want to do something with doing a finite element analysis of a mesh and determining a path for maximum strength of a part. So I'll probably do a little bit of work on both those and see which one gets further faster.